Hey everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do an unboxing of my Boxy Charm box for this month. This is a monthly subscription that comes, well, every month, and imagine that. And it is 5 full-sized cosmetic products for one low price, and I think it's 20 bucks a month, and you get 5 products that are totally over that. And it's usually a great surprise. I like it a lot. So this says totally Boxy Charm, and then it tells me everything that you get in here. So I'm gonna look at that as I open each one. So let's see, the first one is a Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I have never heard of that. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what your skin type. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin to help restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. So that's kind of neat, and it says gently squeeze tube to release 2 or 3 drops of Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil onto fingertips and massage into skin until fully absorbed. So let me go ahead and open this because this looks pretty interesting. Oh, that is interesting. So I'm just going to try to, oh yeah. You can easily do the drops just like it said. And it's pink to start, so I guess that's the illumination. And then there's no scent really. My cat is over here trying to see what I'm doing. Hi, Jambo. Hi, babes. Maybe there is a little bit of a scent. Yeah, I think so. But it's kind of a little florally, but it's really lightly scented. It's not a big deal at all, and it does absorb right into your skin. And I used, I think, 3 drops on just my hand, and I didn't really mean to use that many. I wouldn't normally do that, but I was just trying to see how the dropper worked, and it works really nicely. And honestly, it's not greasy at all. It feels really good. I like it. That's pretty neat. I will try that and see it's not greasy. I can still snap my hands. So this one says Big Ego Mascara by Tarte, and it shows a before and an after. An ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Very nice. I am not going to open this yet because I have mascara, but I love mascara and I love Tarte, so that should be really good. And you know what? It tells you the price on these things. This retails for $23. This retails for $42. And then I have this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I don't think I've ever used a setting powder. This says, this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a this creates a mist-like sensation on your skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. And this is $39. Keep me closed to keep me cool. All right. And then you open this up. Oh, how interesting. And this is the powder, it looks like. And I guess you would apply it with a brush. It's on like some bouncy, I'm trying to get it to go down. Like almost like a colander. I've never had a setting powder before. I don't feel anything like to make it a misty feel or anything, but I guess I can go ahead and take this off. I will use it. There's no scent. Keep me closed to keep me cool. I don't know why you'd want to keep it cool, but all right. Set and refresh powder. So my hands have stuff on them, so I'm getting it all over my makeup products. I'm going to put that upside down so that mirror won't be reflective. And here is a Pure Barbie glitterily pink brightening peel off mask with licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng. That's hilarious that it says Barbie. Applications: generally apply mask to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye areas. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until completely dry. Starting at the outward edge, gently peel the mask in a downward motion. Rinse off any residue with warm water and apply your favorite serums or moisturizers. Masks may be applied 2 to 3 times a week. And this says it's by Pure, the complexion authority, created in celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie. This mask is packed with licorice extract, skin-nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visibly renewed complexion. The non-plastic glitter formula helps deliver immediate radiance for a healthy-looking glow that lasts, and it retails for $26. So Barbie is $60. How about that? So that'll be kind of neat. I think that this is probably closed. Yeah, so I'll just leave it closed for now because I don't need to open another mask, but that is very nice. And then last, it says Lashaholic. Look how cool this is. And it is a pair of lashes. And I have never used lashes before. My daughter does, but I might just have to try it. So this says Lashaholic's Instaglam false eyelashes. Elevate your eye look with this new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. The retail price is $14.95, and it is a really cute box. I really like that box. Instaglam. Has a magnetic closure. It's just a really neat box, and it even has this to help pull the lashes up, so it doesn't come with any glue or anything to glue them, so I think that you would need to add that, but honestly I'm not sure. Hopefully it comes with some sort of instructions. Maybe online I need to go and find them. I don't know, because it looks like it might have some sticky stuff on it already. So do they come pre-glued? That would make it easier to use. I don't know. I don't want to mess with them right now because I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, that's kind of fun. So I think that I will keep everything in this box, and poor Katie doesn't get anything this time. She usually gets whatever I don't want to use, but I seriously think I like everything. So yay me. So yeah, so my box this month was quite enjoyable. Hope that you guys like it and maybe give it a try. And like I said, 5 big sized things for the price of 1, really, and it's a very nice box. So maybe you should check it out for yourself. Spoil yourself, you deserve it. Thanks and have a wonderful day.